शायरे फितरत हूं जब भी फिक्र फरमाता हूं मैं, शायरे फितरत हूं जब भी फिक्र फरमाता हूं मैं, रूह बनकर जर्रे जर्रे में समा जाता हूं मैं. This is a शेर by Jigar Muradabadi. Faiz Ahmad Faiz once called him the master craftsman of his art, and he indeed was. In this sher he says, I am the poet of nature. I create, and whenever I pen my thoughts, I transmogrify into the soul of every particle, every being, and become one with them. Jigar's poetry is very thought-provoking and very musical, very lyrical, as is apparent from this sher. The use of words fikr, fitrat and farmata in a single misra makes it very, very interesting. I am Swati Sani, an Urdu lover, author and a poet, bringing to you gems from the world of Urdu poetry. Khuda Hafiz.